Introducing the Peanut Insertion Machine by KOCH Technology, designed for the patented peanut connecting system from Intelligent Fixings. The dome-headed peanut components slide into a ramped keyhole slot, pulling panels together from the inside and self-clamping, resulting in strong joints with no visible connectors. Built for mass production, the machine has 4 working zones for continuous panel processing. The components require just a single hole to be drilled before they are automatically inserted with glue, saving time and only needing 1 drilling head for the operation. KOCH Technology are specialists in production line systems, creating bespoke solutions for all sized manufacturers. Peanut insertion and keyhole slot machines can be integrated into any production line to achieve an all-in-one solution. Whether you're manufacturing cabinets, drawer boxes, closets, or bespoke units, KOCH Technology can optimize your manufacturing efficiency so you can create strong and beautiful furniture with the Peanut system. Contact Intelligent Fixings now for more information.